I'm going to play you an excerpt from a pre-production class we did with Bobby Owsinski. Listen carefully to the question Kato asked Bobby.
We had some really good questions here. Danielle wants to know if you have any tips for not wearing out the singer during pre-production.
Well, again, it depends where pre-production is. If it's in a rehearsal studio, they're kind of that means there's a PA, so it's more like a live thing. But generally speaking, the easiest way is you don't use them a lot of times, or you just say, just sing to give us cues, and they don't sing the full part. But most of the time in pre-production, it's more breaking down the song and saying, okay, just bass and drums. Show me what you're playing. And then you spend an hour working on that. Okay, guitar and keyboards. What are you playing? Okay, now just the drums and the keyboards. And so the singer isn't singing a lot of times, so it's not really a factor. It's only towards the end when you sort of get it going, it's all together. So, okay, let's hear what we have. So it's not usually a factor.
Mm-hmm. And then do you just take a break? Like if the singer is worn out from rehearsals, you'd give them a break before actually tracking anything, right?
Yeah.
It's just...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if we're in the studio, for sure. Well, but therein lies another problem. There are certain singers that can only sing at certain times of the day, like at night. So that means that you're not tracking with them during the day, or else they're in there and they're just giving cues. They're just in there and they sing, okay, here's the chorus,
Yeah.
So, and that's okay. You can get used to that too.
Mm-hmm. So is that a question you ask every singer then? Is like...
Yeah, when do you like to sing?
Cool.
Definitely.
That's a good one to know.
And some of them would prefer early in the day.
8 in the morning. You get
Well,
that?
nobody in the morning. No, never.
Not yet.
Never. No.
Do you want to watch the whole video? Then go to prostudiolive.com and get the 7-day free trial.